When you want to make a slow motion video, you should try to record at a high frame rate. This is so you can slow the footage down to match the frame rate of your other footage. That'll avoid jarring frame rate changes or choppy looking footage. However, remember when filming that everything else should be at a constant frame rate, such as 24 or 30 frames per second. You should only use a high frame rate on shots that you intend to slow down. If you want to slow down footage that wasn't recorded at a high frame rate, you can still do this, but just be aware of the issues it might cause. Here I have a 60 frames per second clip opened up in Premiere. And let's say I want to slow that down to 24 frames per second. First, I'm going to right-click the clip in my timeline and select Speed/Duration. When this menu appears, you can input a specific percent speed or a specific time duration that you want for the new clip. Since 24 is 40% of 60, I'm going to slow this down to 40% speed to get it to play back in 24 frames per second. You can also check these boxes to reverse your clip, prevent your audio pitch from changing, or ripple edit the new clip into your timeline. The time interpolation setting will change how frames are added or removed for the best result. And now if I play back my footage, it plays back smoothly in slow motion. That's all you'll need to slow down a video in Premiere. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the TSW YouTube channel for more.